This simulation is similar to the one you used in a prior lesson. Like the investigation you just did with your marbles and rulers, this simulation will help you explore the force interactions and energy transfers involved in forming bonds instead of breaking bonds. As with the last simulation, you need to initialize the model before running it by pressing the Setup Reset button. When you do this, a series of arrows appear around particle A below the track. Remember that these arrows represent a way to visualize the forces in the magnetic field produced by particle A that would act on the steel marble B at those different points in space. Since particle B starts to the left of particle A, the forces acting on it right now are shown pointing to the right. You can use this slider to adjust the initial position of particle B. This allows you to see how changing the distance between particle B and A affects the energy change when a bond forms. This top graph will help you keep track of the kinetic energy of particle B and particle 1 separately. This next graph is a graph of the total kinetic energy of all particles added together. The bottom graph will help you keep track of the energy stored in the field between B and A. Use the Go Pause button to resume the simulation and see what happens next. You can then change the initial position for particle B and run the simulation again to compare outcomes for different amounts of energy transferred into and out of the system.